So, man, I feel guilty. I feel guilty. Your Honor, excuse me, because I'm showing you the good times now. So, as you can see, we launched our book here and we were losing $500 a day. And then we reduced the spend with the team. We saw some small profit, but it was probably because of, how to say, when we were spending that much, the orders were coming on 2-3 days late. And then after that, as you can see here, we were losing a bunch of money. This was a specific day, I think, Thanksgiving. So they were not printing anything. Anyways, big loss. Profit started coming in. And yesterday we had $700 of profit, man. What the hell? I'm so thankful to God, to you, to everyone who has helped me. Toby, Charlie, Ivan, every other Vakar. I don't know, every other Vakar. Man, there's so many of you. Andre. And I was going to Las Vegas, but they denied me entry because probably I'm from Tehran, or I was born in Tehran. I don't even live in Tehran for 14, 15 years. Anyways, that doesn't matter. What matters is right now, I'm seeing a green light. I'm seeing a light to push, but I'm also scared, man. I'm also so scared because I'm just waiting, or not, I'm not waiting for it, but I'm scared of the day I wake up and I see that dreadful email saying, "Dear Adrian, your account has been terminated because whatever." And I'm just like, fuck, I don't want that, man. It's so scary. My palms start sweating. I'm starting imagining like I would lose all of the good food I would eat for the rest of my life because I'm gonna be $40,000-$50,000 in debt. Even though you see this profit here, this profit is not reaching my pocket in 3-4 months. And in 3-4 months, I'm gonna be spending even more, right? I'm planning to launch more books now. And I'm thinking, fuck, if I launch one in December, I hope my account doesn't get blocked. And because I've seen it happen, right? So I don't know, man. It's such a worrisome, it's a good problem to have, but also I'm very scared that it just blows up in my face. Now that's a risk that we're gonna always take, right? And if I don't push, then I'm not really maximizing it, the potential, right? So I was thinking to launch a few more books in the series that's doing well. And I know kind of how it works now. But man, it scares me. It scares me so much. So in any case, that's why I felt guilty, because I'm showing you the good times, but it's not showing you the full picture. So 1 second. And as you can see here I was like slightly profitable, but then again, I launched around this time and then I was just losing money, $200, $300 a day, 300, 200. It was just like 500 at this point. I was just so scared. But then now it's kind of, the trend is flipping. And this book doesn't even have a keyword. So this is the first time I'm experiencing how a book sells without even having a keyword, which is the first time ever. I didn't know this can happen, right? Man, it's insane. So the question is, when are we going to see that email? I hope never. I hope this account is going to be safe. I'm doing my best. I'm copywriting all the works with the US Copyright Office, not trying to save the pennies. And yeah, it is what it is, right? But this is a quick update. $300,000 in 3 years. That's the goal. Now we will see how that goes. I made a YouTube video preparing that and saying that that is my goal. And yeah, I think it's possible. I think from what I'm seeing, it just needs more focus, effort, unique selling propositions, and great content, Yeah, anyways, there's so much in my mind going on and I'm scared, but I'm also so happy. I mean, I could not be more thankful. I mean, if this is continuing even at $300 a day, man, that's not bad. That's a good start. And $300,000 is just going to be getting smarter and making better offers, right? So I've been also pushing on TikTok. That's a bit harder. It's much more complicated, I would say. Each TikTok video basically takes as much time for me today. Let's say, yeah, each TikTok video, the research, the creation, all this stuff takes as much as making a book with AI. Now that shows you that AI books are not hard to make. It's just hard to position them correctly. It's harder to... The market and the bottlenecks, if they were creation before, which they weren't, by the way, you had ghostwriters. Now it's something else. It's the marketing, it's the understanding and the deep understanding of what's happening. And I don't say I do, but I've done my best to push in the right direction, right? Okay, so that's the quick update. And yeah, let's push forward and get this. Anyways, have a good day. Bye-bye.